Kevin asks, so for your average jackass tooling around, nothing, not even wax, I really wouldn't. I wouldn't even bother. Now, if it's a Yamaha and you're trying to protect your paint and you have the money to spend and the time to spend, clear coat. If it's a Yamaha and you don't want to paint it, first, never beach it. Be careful about going up the bunks too fast. Be careful of going up floating docks too fast because you can hurt the paint. And pay attention to your hull. If you have it on the trailer, get underneath the trailer with a flashlight, look at it. Look for cracks. Look for gouges. Look for failures in the paint. If you, God forbid, you hit a little tree branch or you hit a rock or something and it takes a little chip out of it, you can, believe it or not, I can't believe I'm recommending this, but you can actually fill it in with nail polish. Because what's nail polish? It's acrylic paint. It's acrylic. Acrylic is strong. All right. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.